What's up, guys, and welcome to the fucking vlog. It's lit! Anyways, so I just pulled into work. I'm in the back right now. Does not mean this vlog is not gonna be fucking lit. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna turn that little fucking pump up and blow this fucking restaurant up with Lil Pump. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do. Escada!
Escada!
Get fucking lit! Lit wherever the fuck I go, bro. Lil Pump, Escada! Escada, just once.
Escada!
No, like, you gotta go, Escada!
Escada! Escada!
Alright. Escada! I just need you to say Escada. So you gotta say Escada, okay? Like that. Okay? Just say that. Come on, please. For Lil Pump.
Escada?
Yeah, Escada. Yeah. That's what Lil Pump says. And in all of his interviews, when somebody asks him a question, he goes, Escada! Yeah, like that.
Is this still recording?
Yeah, it's still going.
Escada!
Escada!
What's fucking lit, y'all? Who the fuck goes into a restaurant? Hear me out, hear me out. Who goes into a restaurant and blares Lil Pump over the surround sound speakers throughout the entire restaurant? Not to mention, it wasn't just in the restaurant, but it was also outside of the restaurant. So Lil Pump was blaring inside and outside of the restaurant on all the surround sound speakers. Who the fuck does that? That's what I'm talking about. We getting lit on this channel, bro. We getting lit. Make sure you fucking hit that subscribe button. Give me that big ass fucking thumbs up. You know what's good. You know what is good, bro. Escada! Escada! Escada, Lil Pump, Escada! Real talk though, real talk. What happened to my hair, bro? What is this haircut? What is this? Bro, real talk though, like, this haircut, this fucking haircut, like, that's not lit. That's not lit. My haircut might be having more fun than I'm having, but I don't, it's fucking like a 10 out of 10, bro. Escada! No, but for real, I actually don't mind it too much. You know, my girlfriend's mom cut it. I don't mind it too much. It's just that now it's growing out all funky and I got like this weird shit going on. I don't know what all that's about, but what are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? It's good though. It's Gucci. It's freaking good, bro. It's freaking lit. Can we ever get lit enough in this vlog, bro? I don't know what else to do to get more. You know what? Bruh. I know it's good. I know it's good. I'm gonna go to my dad's house, right? And I'm gonna fuck with my little brother, dude. I think I'm gonna break his Xbox. When he's playing it, I'm just gonna rip it out and fucking break it. Escada! Oh, let's get fucking lit, bro. Let's get lit! God damn, bro. I'm cancer as fuck. Let's do this. I'm about to pass this bitch, bro. Escada! Bro, we're literally going 90 miles an hour, or 80. Bye, bitch! Escada! Oh, shit, bro. I need to chill. I'm about to get pulled over. Bro, that car's way the fuck back there. Escada! Alright, I need to chill on this Escada shit, bro. I get pulled over. What was the problem, sir? Literally, the Escadas were getting to me, man. I don't know what happened, but Lil Pump took my body over, and fucking turned me into an Escada. Ah, wait. Escada! Bro, bitch, bro, he's about to pass me. He's pissed. I'm going 75 miles an hour. Look at this little bitch, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro. That person doesn't understand the real meaning of Escada. Escada! Alright, bro, I'm passing this motherfucker, bro. Bye, you little bitch. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Oh shit, bro, I'm going 70 and fucking 45. I need to chill. I need to chill, bro. Alright, I'm home now. Let's see if my dad fucks with that. Escada! Say Escada.
I don't know how.
Just say Escada.
Escada.
No, not Escada. Escada.
Escada.
No. Why do you keep saying Escada?
I
Escada.
said Escada.
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 Escada. Escada.
Escada! Get out of my face!
I'll shut it off. How do you like that, huh?
Oh.
How do you like that, huh?
Yeah, I got that shit on film, bro. Escada. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up and a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. Make sure you fucking subscribe. If you forget that, then I don't know what the fuck you're doing. And until next time, Escada!
Escada!